Umesh Kaushik. I am from Bad Source Ozone Biomedical Private Limited, Faridabad. We are into manufacturing, R&D, marketing of diagnostic kits and reagents. Mainly, we have our strength in the manufacturing of rapid tests, ELISA kits, serology kits, hematology analyzers, hematology reagents, biochemical reagents. We are also exporting our products to more than 40 countries all over the world. Our products are mainly used in the diagnostic centers, diagnostics labs, pathology labs. In addition to this, our products are being used in the blood banks, in the OTC market. Various products we have like glucometer. We have tests for the pregnancy detection, ovulation detection, HIV detection. Such products are very helpful for the public interest and being used in the various hospitals. We are basically manufacturing in India. Earlier, these products were imported from China or Korea. We have replaced that import source. Being a local manufacturers, we can compete with any world-class company regarding quality, availability, prices, and assurance of the regular supply chain. Our products are being used by the people because we are maintaining high quality standards. Our products have been evaluated by the Indian governments, Indian labs, and even our malaria test has been approved by WHO. Our malaria test is being used and being exported by various African countries in the government tenders. We are now, as on date, we are the exclusive supplier of the malaria test to Government of India. Yeah, it is a very good platform for the participation, good audience, good visitors. We are targeting that our product should be exported outside of India, and lot of exhibitors from outside of India have shown interest in our product. We are very looking forward for our relations with the buyers located outside of India. And this platform, the IPHEX, has provided a good platform to interact buyer and suppliers.